Choi Sang-mok, and the people of Republic of Korea to you and the people of Republic of Kenya. It is truly a privilege to be assigned to Kenya, a country of immense beauty and attractions, at a time when bilateral relations between Korea and Kenya are rapidly developing. In particular, Your Excellency's visit to Korea in June last year on the occasion of Korea-Africa Summit, following your visit in November 2022, marks significant milestone in the development of bilateral relations. Your Excellency, I'd like to reaffirm Korean government's unwavering commitment to render its full support for Kenya's development strategy. A number of projects are currently underway in close collaborations between Korea and Kenya. The construction of Kenya Advanced Institute of Science Technology, which you visited last December, will be completed by the end of March of this year. And establishment of a digital media city at Konja Technopolis and the proposed intelligent transportation system in Nairobi will serve as a symbol of our strong bilateral relations. In addition, Korean institutions and enterprise spearheaded by Korea Export-Import Bank and Yongwon corporations are exploring opportunities to establish presence in Kenya this year. I firmly believe that all these efforts will contribute to realization's Kenya's bottom-up economic transformations agenda. Your Excellency, I sincerely believe that there is huge potential for mutually beneficial cooperations between our nations on the path ahead. During my tenure as Korean ambassador to Kenya, I spent no time in further reinforcing friendship and cooperation. But last but not least, with a growing number of Korean nationals visiting Kenya, I'd like to kindly request your esteemed support in providing any necessary assistance during their stay. Now I have the honor to present to Your Excellency the letter of recall of my predecessors and my credentials, by which His Excellency Acting President Choi Sang-mok has appointed me as next Ambassador, Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of Republic of Korea to Republic of Kenya. Asante sana. Thanks.